Very good evening, one and all. Welcome to Math Classes by MS sir. So, in this video, I would like to discuss with you section formula. Okay. So, what is section formula? Suppose 2 points are given: A, some 2 comma 3, B, some 5 comma 2. Okay. How to find a point P which divides AB in the ratio some 2:3? Which divides AB in the ratio some 2:3. Okay, how to find that point? Okay, so distance from A to P is, okay, here we have to find the point which divides AB in the ratio 2:3. So AP by PB is 2/3. Okay, like that we have to find the point P. How to find this point? Suppose some point A and B are given. There is just a point which divides AB in the ratio some 4:1. How to find this point? Okay, so this is all about the section formula. Okay, so so in this formula, if A is x1 y1, if A is x1 y1, B is x2 y2, A is x1 y1, B is x2 y2. Very good evening, one and all. Welcome to Math Classes by MSR. In this video, I would like to discuss with you the section formula. So what is the section formula? Section formula means here, suppose 2 points A 2 comma 3, B somewhere some 5 comma 2. Okay, so the line segment joining AB. There exists a point P on this line segment AB such that P divides AB in the ratio some 3:2. Then how to find the coordinates of P? How to find the coordinates of P? Okay, or otherwise there exists a point Q which divides AB in the ratio some 1:4. How to find these coordinates of Q? So in this we are going to use in this to find P and Q the section formula. So what is section formula and all we are going to discuss in this video. Okay, so let us take 2 points A x1 y1, B x2 y2. There is a point P x comma y which divides AB in the ratio some m:n. Then what are x and y we have to calculate. Okay, so A x1 y1, B x2 y2. Okay, now join AB. Join A. So A x1 y1, B x2 y2. Okay, now there exists a point P which divides AB in the ratio some m:n. Which divides AB in the ratio some m:n. Okay, now what to do from here? So we have to find the point P coordinates. P is some x comma y. Okay, we have to find the coordinates of P. So to find that, what I am doing is I will drop a perpendiculars from A and from P and from B to on to x-axis. Again, name this feet of the perpendiculars as some C, D, E. And from A also drop perpendiculars to both the perpendiculars which are onto x-axis. Okay, from here you drop perpendiculars. Okay, now okay, again from P to this also draw one more perpendicular. Okay, now what I will do, see here, just I will use the similarity of triangles and I will calculate, I will find the P coordinates. Okay, so how to calculate? Now if you observe, suppose this is F, this is G. Okay, this is some H. Okay, now if you observe triangle PBQ and triangle ABF are similar. Triangle PBQ, PBG. Triangle PBG is similar to triangle ABF because angle B is the common angle. Okay, angle D is 90 degrees, angle F is also 90 degrees in a way. Hence, we can say that those two triangles are similar. Once they are similar, ratio of the corresponding sides will be equal. Ratio of the corresponding sides will be equal. Now, before going to proceed with the similarity, we'll find out the lengths in terms of these given coordinates. Okay, what is this length? Y1, right? AE length, AC length will be Y1 because Y coordinate of A is Y1. Okay, and OE length, suppose this is origin OE, this length is X1. Okay, now what is this length from here to here? This length is Y2. Till here, what is the length? Till here, what is the length? Till here, what is the length? Y. Yes or no? Till here, the length is Y. So this length is Y. Therefore, what is this length? BG length. This is Y2. Till here, till G, it is Y. So it will be Y2 minus Y. Okay. Similarly, here, this is EB length is Y2. What is OE length? What is OE length? X2. Yes or no? OE length is X2. Okay. Similarly, what about the P length? P is X comma Y. P is X comma Y. Till P the length is Y. Already we done. Okay. Already we wrote. Till P the length is Y. DP length. And what about this length is X, right? This length is X. So here OD length is X. OD length is X. Okay. It is parallel to X axis. Okay. This is OD length is X. Now O2 E length is X2. O2 E length is X2. O2 E length is X2. Till D is X. So this length will be X2 minus X. Okay. So next. If we take the big triangle, what is the length of AF? What is the length of AF? AF. Till here the length is X1. From O2 X1 length is O2 A length is X1. O2 F length is X2. So this will be total AF length will be X2 minus X1. Length of AF is X2 minus X1. Similarly, what is the length of FD? Till here the length is Y1. Yes or no? Till here the length is Y1. Okay. I wanted from this to this. FB length I wanted. FB length. Till here Y1. Total length till E to B length is Y2. Height is Y2. So this will be Y2 minus Y1. Total is Y2. So I'm subtracting this length. So Y2 minus Y1. Now it is easy to calculate the values. Now you check. So P divides AB in which ratio? M is to N. Here, this is not AP length is not M and PB length is not N. AP by PB is N. AP by PB is M by N. M is to N. AP is to PB is M is to N. Now, triangle PBG is similar to triangle ABF. So ratio of the corresponding sides will be equal. PB by AB is equals to BG by BF is equals to PG by AF. PG by AF. So PB length, what is the length of PB and AB? So PB if you consider as some nk, and AB if you consider as m plus n into k. So kk cancels, so m plus n ratio. And BG length, BG length is y2 minus y, and BF length is, what is the length of B2F? That is y2 minus y1, y2 minus y1. Okay, so this is y2 minus y1. Next, which is equals to PG by AF. PG length is x2 minus x by AF length. AF length is x2 minus x1. Now equate this first and this. If we equate these two, what is that you will get? N times of y2 minus y1 is equals to m plus n times of y2 minus y. Okay, now multiply ny2 minus ny1 is equals to, with m you multiply my2 minus my, next with n plus ny2 minus ny. Okay, so plus ny2 on both the sides it will be cancelled. Okay, both the sides it will be cancelled. This my2 is on that side, my2 minus my2, right? This is minus ny1 is equals to minus my minus ny. So take minus y common, m plus n. Okay, now y is equals to how much you will get? my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Okay, now you equate first and last. That is n by m plus n is equals to x2 minus x by x2 minus x1. Multiply with this nx2 minus nx1, cross multiply again this one, m times of x2 minus x plus n times of x2 minus x. Okay, that is mx2 minus mx plus nx2 minus nx. Okay, which is equals to nx2 minus nx1. Okay, nx2 will be cancelled. Okay, so this minus plus mx2 is on this side, minus mx2 minus nx1, which is equals to minus x times of m plus n. So both the sides multiply with negative sign. X is equals to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n. So what are the coordinates of P we got? X comma y, mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, comma my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Okay, so this is the formula to find the point P which divides AB in the ratio some m is 10. If you observe here, P is interior of AB. P is interior of AB. P is interior of AB. We got P coordinates are mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Means we can say that P is dividing AB in the ratio m is to n internally. P is dividing AB in the ratio m is to n internally. Okay, that formula is this. Suppose somewhere it is useful. Suppose A is a point 3 comma 2, B is a point 1 comma 4. Okay, find the point P which divides AB in the ratio internally from 1:3. How to find the point P? So simple, same application formula. What I told you, mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Okay, That is P is equals to, here M is 10, M is 1, N is 3. This is x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay, mx2, that is 1 times of 1 plus nx1, 3 into 3 by m plus n, that is 1 plus 3. Next my2, 1 into 4 plus ny1, 3 into 2 by 1 plus 3. That is 1 plus 1 1s are 1, 1 plus 3 3s are 9, 10. So 10 by 4, comma 4 plus 3 2s are 6, 10, 10 by 4. So like this, in this way we can use the section formula internal division. Okay, so if it is external division, suppose a point A is x1 y1, there is a point B x2 y2, there is a point P which divides AB in the ratio some m is to n. External, here P is exterior of AB now. Therefore, P divides AB in the ratio externally. Then your formula will be mx2 minus nx1 by m minus n, comma my2 minus ny1 by m minus n. So this is a formula to find the coordinates of point P which divides AB in the ratio m is to n externally. So instead of plus symbol, we will get minus symbol. Okay, this is also we can prove in the same pattern what we proved before, but you have to take P is exterior of AB. Like this, you will join perpendicular to x-axis and this perpendicular. Okay, this small triangle and this small triangle, if we compare similar triangles, we can prove this result also. So this is about section formula. In the coming video, we will discuss about problems based on section formula. Okay, and harmonic conjugates concept also. Okay, bye for now. We will meet in the next video.